Hello and good evening. I'd like to talk to you about a public apology that was made by Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook in regards to data leaks. This public apology was made almost in what I'd like to say a consensual fashion. And the reason I say it is based on the facial expressions that I learned from Pamela Meyer in regards to how to spot a liar. I'm going to go ahead and play a small clip of this and then let you guys see exactly what I'm talking about.
But it's clear now that we didn't do enough to prevent these tools from being used for harm as well. And that goes for Peg Harris, foreign interference election, and hate speech, as well as developers and enterprise. We didn't take a broad enough view of our responsibility, and that was a big mistake. That was my mistake, and I'm sorry.
Right there, right after he apologizes, he says, "I am sorry," and then you get the exact look of contempt on his face. The armed moral contempt, where the lip is curled down, the other lip is curled up, and therefore, that's what Pamela Meyer said is when you need to walk away. This is how you spot a liar. And that's scary in a multi-billion dollar business, I should say, that shares information with the world that he's accused of, and basically he says, "I am sorry." That's a scary, scary thing. I chose to do this instead of using Hayward from BT because I think this may be a little more well-known cause than the Exxon Valdez, and people recognize Mark Zuckerberg, so it would be something relevant and current in today's events that people could see and also would be able to recognize this contempt face that Pamela Meyer talks about. I'd just like to thank you for allowing me to look at this public service event and also the ability to spot a liar. Like I said, I can't verify for sure that Mark's lying, but it is the telltale face that Pamela Meyer has talked about. Thanks, and look forward to your response.